Is it a bike? Is it a suitcase? It's the Loma Tatamel, a folding e-bike that's made for the city and built to disappear. This ultra-compact electric ride folds in seconds and fits under your desk, in your trunk, or even beside you in an elevator. Fully electric with a sleek design, it's perfect for commuters, students, and city riders who want style and convenience. Don't be fooled by the size, it's got the power, range, and features you'd expect from a full-size ride. Need to park? Don't. Just fold and roll it with you, it's that easy. Say hello to the Ride Colibri M22, the ultimate urban e-bike built for speed, style, and freedom. Powered by a 250W high-efficiency motor, the M22 hits up to 25 miles per hour with zero effort. Ride up to 60 miles on a single charge and recharge in just 4 hours. Smart LCD display, precision gear shifts, and powerful disc brakes for full control. Commute. Cruise. Explore. The Colibri M22 makes every ride a statement. Lightweight, durable, and bold, this isn't just an e-bike, it's a lifestyle. Introducing the Naction AM, the ride that redefines electric motion. Powered by a silent high-torque motor, it delivers a punch with every push, smooth, fast, and futuristic. Up to 75 miles on a single charge. Commute, cruise, or go off-grid, Naction AM keeps going. Smart ride modes. App sync. Keyless start. It's not just a machine, it's a smart companion. City streets? Concord. Morning rush? Outsmarted. The Naction AM rides ahead of the curve. Ride different. Meet the FreeSky Warrior Pro M530, the beast built for bold riders. Armed with dual 1000W motors, this e-bike crushes hills, trails, and whatever you throw at it. A 48 V20Ah battery gives you up to 80 miles of wild adventure on a single charge. Hydraulic brakes. 26 by 4 foot fat tires. Full suspension. You're not just riding, you're dominating. Trail tested. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a BMW, precision engineering on 2 wheels. Whether it's the S1000RR or the R1250GS, every ride is built for speed, control, and soul. Agile frame. Adaptive suspension. Power that answers the throttle before you twist it. Tech packed with rider modes, intelligent ABS, and a smart TFT display that speaks your language. From city commutes to cross-country escapes, a BMW doesn't follow the road, it defines it. Ride the legend. Ride BMW. This is the Arsamoto Cybertrike, part spaceship, all electric. With a lightweight frame and ultra-efficient design, it delivers pure power with zero emissions. Powered by a rear-drive electric motor, the Cybertrike is compact, quick, and crazy fun to drive. Clean, green, and made for the future because sustainability doesn't have to be boring. With its 3-wheel design, it hugs the road like a boss, stability meets style. The future of urban mobility has 3 wheels and one bold name, Cybertrike. This is the KTM 1290 Super Duker, a street fighter with zero chill. Powered by a 1,301 cubic centimeters V-twin beast, this thing launches with 180 horsepower of pure fury. 0 to insane in just a twist, this isn't a ride, it's an explosion on 2 wheels. Precision built with track-level brakes, active suspension, and cornering ABS that reads your mind. Whether it's track days or street fights, the 1290 Super Duker owns the road and your respect. Ride it, if you dare. Introducing the Chrome M1 PS, performance, precision, and pure electric attitude. With a power-packed motor and lightning-fast acceleration, this ride means business. Up to 65 miles on a single charge, fast, efficient, and built for non-stop motion. Fully loaded with smart ride modes, adaptive brakes, and a suspension system that eats bumps for breakfast. Sleek enough for the city. Strong enough for open roads. The M1 PS is next-gen commuting. Chrome doesn't just move, it leads. Welcome to BMW Motorrad, where innovation meets soul on 2 wheels. From the S1000RR's track-borne aggression to the R1250GS's world-conquering capability, every bike is engineered to thrill. Packed with tech, ride modes, dynamic traction control, adaptive suspension, everything fine-tuned to you. Wherever you ride, highways, trails, or urban streets, BMW Motorrad makes every journey legendary. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a movement. Join it. This is the Filoto H8, built tough, built electric, built to conquer. With a 1000W high-speed motor, it's got the torque to climb hills and the speed to own the road. A powerful 48V 17.5Ah battery gives you up to 75 miles of freedom. Ride longer, charge less. 26 by 4 foot fat tires. Dual suspension. Hydraulic brakes. This beast eats terrain for breakfast. Say hello to the Trio Bike Taxi, where every ride is a journey, not just a destination. Powered by an electric assist motor, it's smooth, silent, and effortlessly powerful. Designed for comfort and dignity, perfect for elderly transport, city tours, and community care. Sturdy build. Safety features. Weather ready. Every detail is built around passenger comfort. No noise. No emissions. Just pure, eco-friendly mobility made for modern cities. Because the best rides aren't solo, they're shared. Introducing the Chameleon Trikes Gym, where fitness meets freedom. Want to work out and get around? This pedal-powered trike turns every ride into a cardio session. Perfect for rehab, active aging, or outdoor workouts, it's mobility with a mission. Comfort-tuned seats. Custom gears. Stable design. It's built for balance, strength, and stamina. Low impact. High value. Burn calories while you explore the outdoors. Why stay indoors? Ride fit. Meet the Bobo Curve, the smart way to upgrade your balance, core, and coordination. Connect it to the Bobo app for real-time feedback, guided workouts, and fun training games. Whether you're a fitness pro in rehab or just want a smarter way to move, the Bobo Curve has your back and your balance. Responsive sensors. Intuitive design. Real-time results. Every shift counts. Small device. Big results. It's core training, gamified, and addictive. Step on, level up, and never lose your balance again. This is the Cannondale Moterra SL, the lightest full-power EMTB ever made. Packed with a Bosch Performance Line SX motor and 85 Nm of torque, it climbs like a goat and flies like a rocket. A full-power ride that weighs under 20 kilograms? Believe it. The Moterra SL rewrites the rules. Big travel. Bigger control. With 150 mm of suspension, you can shred, send, and smile the whole way down. Smart battery. Massive range. All-day trail domination with no range anxiety. Less weight. More power. Pure ride. This is next-gen EMTB. This isn't a motorcycle. It's art in motion. Welcome to Curtis Motorcycles. Hand-built. All electric. Designed like a spaceship. The Curtis one isn't just built, it's sculpted. With peak torque from 0 RPM, it launches like lightning, fast, smooth, and whisper quiet. Modular battery. Custom geometry. And a riding position you can actually tune to your body. Zero emissions. Zero compromise. 100% radical. This isn't evolution. It's a revolution on two wheels. Ride Curtis. This is the Kuberg Ranger, part dirt bike, part electric rebel, and all-out fun. Powered by a 14 kilowatts electric motor, it delivers instant torque and crazy acceleration, no gas, no gears, just go. Front and rear suspension with 12 inches of travel means it eats up jumps, trails, and drops like nothing. Stand up, lean in, or raise the seat, the Ranger's adjustable ride mode adapts to how you want to shred. Lightweight. Responsive. Built to blast through forests, fields, and full sends. Silent, savage, and 100% electric. This is the Ranger life. This is the Kuberg Ranger, part dirt bike, part electric rebel, and all-out fun. Powered by a 14 kilowatts electric motor, it delivers instant torque and crazy acceleration, no gas, no gears, just go. Front and rear suspension with 12 inches of travel means it eats up jumps, trails, and drops like nothing. Stand up, lean in, or raise the seat, the Ranger's adjustable ride mode adapts to how you want to shred. Lightweight. Responsive. Built to blast through forests, fields, and full sends. Silent, savage, and 100% electric. This is the Ranger life.